This is the exclusive 2025 version of the iconic Capelinha statue, a symbol of faith deeply rooted in the heart of Portugal and the world. Handcrafted in fine cedar wood, each curve and line reflects the dedication and care of our artisans. This exclusive statue is a rare gem, available only in our online store. You won't find this special version anywhere else. Get a truly unique piece for your collection or as a gift for someone special. When you purchase this statue, you are not just taking home a beautiful work of religious art. He is connecting with the story of the apparitions of Fatima, expressing his faith and inviting Our Lady's protection and blessing into his home and his life. This statue represents the best of artisanal production in Portugal, a testament to our tradition and our passion for sacred art. Invest in a priceless piece that transcends time and generations. Don't miss the opportunity to have this sublime representation of Our Lady of Fatima with you.